ready?
Prepare yourself for the worst.
Be bold, start cold. It's 9 AM, just left Tal, and now we're headed to Timang for our next destination. If we have enough time, we will head to Chamay. Yeah, we rested a day yesterday, so technically this is the 4th day, but today is the 5th day, so woo, morning feels cold, but be bold, start cold, right El? Let's do this. 20 minutes into the trek, we were offered a hitch, so why not? So we get cut time to Chamay. We're on a tractor. So at this point, I don't mind. Thanks to this, we cut on time, on track. First check post. We're in Dharapani? Dharapani, yes. Danaqyu. We just had our lunch. It's 3 PM. We have another 1.5 hours to Timang, and then we'll rest there for a day. And we've been hiking with this rally group. Oh, I can't talk. Yeah, everything's fine. Just that my legs are starting to feel sore, but other than that, everything feels okay. It's cool, it's cool. It's starting to get cold now. The elevation is 2,200, I think. Yeah. Oh, gotta go. Let's take our shoes off to the waterfall crossing. That freezing water actually feels a lot better, because after long hours of trek, it's like you're taking an ice bath. That's what a lot of athletes do. Woo! After Timang. Made it to Timang. Yes! Oh, sorry. Sprained wrist. Sleeping here for the night.
Acclimatize.
About to stretch.
Dobra. jangan angkat banyak. Habis ada the wind lah. The wind ni so strong. Dalam air.
Kat mana?
Mungkin Indonesia.
Now chill in the room. Got all our laundry hanged up. Just look at that. All of L's, all of mine. And some of it are moderately dry. Some of it are a bit almost dry. So just leave it to hang. Yeah, hopefully it dries in the morning. Hopefully. Dinner time.
They have pizza here, I think. No. Genuine pizza. Has anybody tried the local pizza? No. I'm curious, but it's like one of the dishes you're curious about, but you don't want to try because.